There are times when fabric is just going to fight you all the way through your sewing project. So no matter what serger you use, no matter what sewing machine you use, sometimes fabric is going to come out wavy, ruffly, gathered, all sorts of different things. Now this is what we were working with when we were talking about the differential feed use and how to determine which way to go using the dial on the side of the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 serger. Now, another thing that you can actually adjust, just like you can with your sewing machine, you can adjust how firm the foot pressure is against your fabric, and of course how much it's squeezing the fabric between the feed dogs and the foot. So up at the top here you do have an N for normal, and you can adjust it to be less or more pressure. Now usually if you are finding that this is going to be gathered up, that means that there's too much pressure. So you could try a looser pressure. Sometimes with some heavier fabric, something very dense, you could try an increased pressure if you're not getting the results you're looking for. I will tell you, most of the time though, you'll probably just leave this right at its normal pressure until you have some weird project that creeps into your sewing room that you have to do. So just note that you have one extra option beyond differential feed with the foot pressure on this serger.